In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star email in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your account and quickly mark important messages with a star so they're easy to find later. Start by opening your preferred web browser. At the top, click into the address bar and type yahoo.com, then press enter. This takes you to the Yahoo homepage. If you prefer, you can also head straight to the mail section later, but starting at the homepage is perfect for signing in. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen and find the sign in button. Go ahead and click it. You'll be taken to the sign in page where you'll follow the on-screen prompts. Enter your account details carefully. If you use verification codes or have extra security on your account, complete those steps as prompted. Take your time here and make sure everything is correct. Once you submit your information, give it a moment to process while the sign-in completes. After you're signed in, you'll return to the Yahoo homepage. Now click Mail, usually visible at the top or along the header. This opens your Yahoo Mail inbox where you'll see your list of emails. To star an email, look at the message list and find the small star icon next to each email, typically to the left of the sender or subject line. Click the star once to mark that message as important. It should fill in or change color, indicating it's now starred. If you change your mind, click the star again to remove it. You can star multiple emails the same way, one by one, as you scan through your inbox. Starring is useful because it visually highlights key messages and groups them together in your mailbox starred view, making them quick to revisit without hunting through your entire inbox. This is especially handy for messages you need to act on later, like travel confirmations, receipts, or time-sensitive notes. If you don't immediately see the star, make sure your browser window is wide enough or that you're in the standard message list view, not a compact view that hides certain icons. A couple of quick tips as you work. Starring doesn't move the email, it simply flags it for easy reference. You can star emails in any folder, not just the inbox, and the star status stays with that message wherever it is. Also, starring works well alongside other organization methods like folders and filters if you use them. That's it. Open your browser, sign in, open mail, and click the star next to the emails you want to keep front and center. Thanks for